Order, please.
Order, please.
Honorable members, take your seats.
Point of order.
Order, please. Order, please.
My attention was due to a document on the internet with my name, purportedly nominating a member of this House for the post of minority leader.
My brother arrived from Benue, late for our meeting, met me in the office, in the presence of some of my colleagues that I will bring forward, and voluntarily, on his own and independently, pledged and signed my nomination for the post of minority leader.
I never did, Mr. Ikenga.
Mr. Speaker,
I never. 7, sub-rule 15, it says the decision regarding who shall be a principal officer will verge primarily on cognate experience. This
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
I will be here for 3 years.
Point of order, is not a member of minority, sir.
Ikenga, you don't have
We have
information.
members. We have members.
There is no point of order when he's talking on privilege.
We have
Please.
members.
Please.
We have members from the same caucus of minority who have 9, 15, 10, 12 years here.
We didn't hear that from him. Members of the minority will come before all of us and we will know who the leader would be.
Let us not continue talking about an issue we can be able to resolve between ourselves, please.